I just wanted to share some film photography excitement with you. Today I received it's true, I went on eBay over the weekend and I bought, well, I'm going to show you. I bought a camera body of something I've wanted for a very long time. The mid-1960s Canon Pellix 35mm camera. It's an SLR camera, and I just bought the body because I already own the Canon FT, so I'm just going to borrow the age-appropriate lens off of my Canon FT and put it on my Canon Pellix, and I'll be back in a few weeks with hopefully the whole review and some sample images shot on this mid-1960s camera. So I'll see you soon. Do you yourself own any Canon FL lenses, even known as FL lenses, or any of the old Canon QL bodies? QL because they had this great feature here called QL that would make it very easy to load your film. And I don't know why they did away with it, because it was super special. And the Pellix and the FT, the FTB, and maybe a few other cameras used that. So, see you soon.